Are you searching for the best CCS2 to NACS EV charging adapter? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CCS2 to NACS EV charging adapter in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. CCS2 to Tesla EV charger adapter 400,000 volts electric vehicle DC charging station 80 amp. Tesla charger included. High power charging max 80 at 50 volts output ensures rapid charging for your electric vehicle, reducing wait times. Wide compatibility, compatible with a range of J772 EVs, including Audi, BMW, Chevrolet, and more. Durable design, withstands over 20,000 plugging and unplugging tests, ensuring long-lasting use. Versatile use, operates in extreme temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for all seasons. Easy to use, comes with a user manual, making it simple to connect and use for Tesla owners.